Hello kids, today we are going to learn about sense organs. So, do you know what is sense organ? Don't worry. We will learn in this class about sense organs. You will learn also the different sense organs, the functions of these sense organs and the types of sense organ. So, what are sense organs? Have you ever thought that? What are sense organs? The organs which helps us to sense world around us are called as sense organs. So what is the world around us? It may be anything like our food, the music, the smell, the touch, anything. It's called a sense. And the organs which helps us to realize this sense is called sense organs. Now we will see how many types of sense organs. So there are 5 types of sense organs. These are eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. So let us see how these sense organs are helping us, why these are important and why these are called sense organs. Now first is eye. Eye helps us to see anything, that is the sense of sight. You can see anything by eye. You are watching movie, you are watching computer, or you can see your mom, your friends, how you can see them by eye. So eye helps us to see anything. That's why it's a sense of sight. Now nose. Nose is sense of smell. What's sense of smell? Have you ever thought? When your mom is cooking anything in kitchen, how you come to understand, oh my god, it's yummy, yummy, something yummy is cooked in the kitchen. How? It's nose which helps us to smell that. So nose helps us in smell. That's why it's sense of smell. Now sense of sound. You know, ears is called sense of sound. Why it's so? Have you ever heard music or anyone's words? How you're able to hear these words, these sounds? It's due to your ears only, because your ear helps to listen those music, those words. That's why this is called sense of sound. Now sense of taste. The sense of taste is our tongue. Why? How can you come to know that samosa or rasgulla, whatever, is sweet or salty? My dear, it's our tongue which helps us to know that whether samosa or rasgulla is sweet or salty. The 5th one is our skin. It is also called sense of touch. You can touch ice or a hot thing. What do you feel? How you feel this? It's hot or it's cold. It's just due to sense of touch. That is our skin. It helps us to sense whether it's hot or cold. Now, what can you do with your sense organs? Can you answer now? I hope that you can. So, by tongue, what we can do? We can taste. By ears, what we can do? I can hear. Yes, right. By nose, what you can do? Yes, I can smell. By eyes, what I can do? I can see. And by skin, what you can do? I can feel. Yes, very good. I hope now you understand very well. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.